Hi, Shannon Anderson, Shannon, S-H-A-N-N-O-N, Anderson with an O-N-A-N-D-E-R-S-O-N. Good afternoon. I'm a staff attorney at Powder River Basin Resource Council. Our organization works with landowners, family farmers and ranchers, and other concerned citizens in Wyoming to protect our state's quality of life and our air, land, wildlife, and water resources. A core component of our mission is the empowerment of citizens to make a difference in decisions that impact their lives. To that end, the National Environmental Policy Act is an important tool that promotes democracy and citizen involvement. Personally, I have read and commented on probably over 100 NEPA documents. The first environmental impact statement I ever commented on was back in college 20 years ago. And through that project, I learned that NEPA facilitates coordination, consultation, and good science. The process matters, and decades later, it still matters. In my work today, I regularly review and comment on NEPA documents related to fossil fuel development in Wyoming. I work with our members to weigh in and provide information to the agencies undergoing NEPA review. I have learned over the years that agencies make better decisions when the public is involved. This is especially true for public comments coming from split estate landowners who have a unique and personal knowledge about the resources on and near their property. And it is equally true for citizen groups that submit detailed technical comments and scientific resources to the agencies. The case law refers to NEPA's twin purposes. First, NEPA places upon an agency the obligation to consider every significant aspect of the environmental impact of a proposed action before that action is taken. Second, the agency's NEPA document informs the public of those environmental consequences and concerns. Our organization is deeply concerned that the proposed rules you are considering today will forever thwart and obscure these twin purposes. The amendments you are seeking to push forward are not simple changes. They are fundamental changes to how the public will participate in the NEPA process. NEPA and its regulations have stood the test of time. The law and regulations are certainly not perfect. No agency process is. But the changes you are proposing are unnecessary and dangerous. The changes will create worse agency decisions, and instead of making the process easier and better, your changes will have the opposite effect by inserting uncertainty and confusion into the NEPA process. On behalf of our over 115 members in Wyoming, I urge you to abandon your proposal and keep the current set of regulations in place. Thank you.